Hello guys, today we are going to unbox Note 10 Plus. Note 10 Plus comes with three color variants, that is Aura Glow, Aura White and Aura Black, from which Aura Glow is the most successful color and a different shade which really looks awesome. So today we are going to unbox Aura Glow. Base variant of Note 10 Plus comes with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of memory. This is the base variant. You can see the specs here. It's 256 GB of memory and 12 GB of RAM, and also supports fast charging. Normally Note 10 Plus supports 45 watt, but inbox comes with 25 watt charger. So this is the information given on the box. So now let's go and unbox. When you open the box, you'll see the Note 10 Plus phone at the top, which is very gorgeous looking phone. Oh wow, see the reflections of light with rainbow colors on it. Okay, let's keep aside the phone for now and let's see what comes into the box. So on the top side we get a small box which comes with a clear back cover and some paperwork. So this is the back cover, transparent. So let's keep this aside for now. And the box also have a SIM ejector too, as you can see. So let's keep that aside and let's check the main box. So when you pull this cover out, first we see the charger. Okay, Samsung provides fast charging capable charger with 25 watt. It's a C-type charger. C to C makes fast charging more efficient. So let's keep that aside. This. Okay, what else? Okay, we have wired C-type earphones, AKG branded. Okay, good. Now we have, okay, what else we have? Okay, we have some extra earbuds with different sizes, and what else? Okay, we have, okay, extra S Pen tip and the tip ejector. So whenever your S Pen tip breaks or is hampered, you can use this extra tip. So this is what we get in the Note 10 Plus box. Now let's keep this aside and let's check the phone itself. great. It feels premium in the hands, so it's a very interesting back. It reflects different color with the light coming from different directions, so it's very interesting. Overall design, it's awesome, a premium looking phone. Now let me set up the device and come back. Okay, after the all setup, we are back. Okay, this is the home screen, which is by default. And this is the wallpaper. You can see very bright, vibrant, curved, clean, and it's look gorgeous. Okay, coming back to the back cover, back panel. Aura Glow color is a fingerprint magnet, and there you can see clearly the fingerprints whenever you catch, but it's okay. This is by default wallpaper. There are many wallpapers to download for free. I have downloaded some which I thought were interesting. Let us check. Okay, this looks interesting. Okay, the colors on the Super AMOLED display are beautiful. So this was one. Let's check another wallpaper. Okay. Wow. It is so bright, so colorful. These are all 3D wallpapers. It looks amazing. Samsung is always known for its display. So you have dark display if you want. If you don't want your brighter display to be in. Okay, this is one more. You have also dark mode. Everything goes dark, which will definitely save the battery. And coming to camera, very colorful. The colors look so vibrant. Each and every color comes with so brightness and clarity. And these photos are taken in indoor without any extra lighting. This is the outdoor photo example. You see all the details very clearly captured. And this is one more example of the outdoor photos. And in the camera main screen, you can easily toggle between the macro, wide angle and the main lens. That's it for the camera for now. Let's discuss now about the main feature of Note series, that is S Pen. And okay, it has a very good feature which has been observed. Like if you want to use S Pen without unlocking your phone, so you can just tap on the pen and pull it, so you can directly write anything. You can change colors, Just scroll down. And just save. Saved. No need to open unlock. With S Pen you can do many things, like writing notes, writing live messages, and this is one more app, that is painting. uh, you can have a good fun time using S Pen. And this is note, you can write anything. With dark mode selected, the note background will be black, and if the dark mode is not selected, it will be white. So definitely for note series, S Pen is one of the most powerful feature and very interesting. You can do many things with this. So yes, overall the device looks fantastic, and that's it for unboxing video. Device looks many more videos will be coming. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe and comment.